In this video, we're going to renew a Cisco Meeting Management SSL certificate. When the CMM certificate is expired, a notification will show in the CMM homepage. But you can also verify this by navigating to Settings and Certificate. The easiest way to renew a certificate is by creating a CSR, certificate signing request, with the CMS MMP. Open the CMS MMP with an SSH client. Log in with admin credentials, and then run the command PKI CSR CMM CN : and then the fully qualified domain name of the CMM server. To download the CSR file and private key that we just created, use an FTP client such as FileZilla or WinSCP and connect to the CMS server. We named our files cmm.csr and cmm.key, so download both of those. Open the CSR file with a text editor and copy the text from it. You can use any certificate authority to sign the certificate. In my case, I'm using Active Directory Certificate Services, an internal CA running on a Windows server in my environment. From here, I'm pasting the CSR text into this field. And I have to choose a certificate template with web client and web server authentication. If you're using ADFS and you don't know that you have a template with both web client and web server authentication, you'll need to talk to your ADFS administrator to create a new template for you. Don't just use the web server template. From here, hit Submit. Now we can download the signed certificate. Be sure to use the base64 encoded option. Once downloaded, you can rename the certificate if desired. To upload the certificate to CMM, go back to the Certificates page, browse for the certificate and key file, and then click Save. The system will request to be restarted after applying the new certificate. Restart CMM and sign back in. If we go back to the certificate page, the new certificate is now in use. And that's all there is to renewing the CMM certificate. I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.